Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ankita and I am here back with another interesting video on reviewing a skincare brand. Yes, you heard it right. This is gonna be for a brand named Aaranyaa. I discovered them a couple of days ago and realized how cool they are for a simple reason because they're 100% natural with no chemicals like sulphate or paraben. Paraben is something that ends up giving you a lot of skin rashes and blisters. So what's special about Aaranyaa? They are into skincare, they are into hair care, they are also into body care. And the coolest thing about Argan is that they are cruelty free. Yes, no animals were tested while making these products, and which is why I love this brand, or I recommend this brand the most. Well, from the plethora of products that Argan has, I was asked to select any 5 products, and me being a makeup junkie, I went for the 3 most important or essential products for my skincare. Yes, something that I made a video on for last time, and that is the 3 most important thing. There you go. This is a cleanser. Yes, this is also a makeup remover and a toner. You got it right. These are the 3 most important things that I have gone ahead and selected. Along with these 3, I've also got 2 more important products which were suggested by the branding team or the marketing team, and those are the 2 most important products. That is this, yes, the face scrub, that is the charcoal free scrub. The second one is the hair pack with argan oil. Well, this is someone who wishes to have Rapunzel hair, well, if I can say that so. So yes, while I've received 5 amazing products from Aaranyaa, I will be reviewing only 2 in this video, and the remaining 3 will be reviewed in my next video. The first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and review is the charcoal face scrub. Yes, you got it right. This is how it looks like, and you may have a close look of it. It is for $3.25. Is also available on Nykaa, which is really nice, and I'm sure you'll have a lot of deals on Nykaa. And to let you know about this product, this has essential oils of lemongrass and eucalyptus oil. I will first go ahead and dab my face a bit and then apply this product. Let me tell you, this is gonna be my first impression. So let's get started. So hey, I am back. I have already scrubbed my face for nearly a minute now, and I will go ahead, wash my face, and I will be back in a while. Hey, here I am back, all glowing and fresh. Well, this is what Aranyaa's charcoal face scrub does to you. This is my first time, my first impression. I'll be using this every week, once a week, and after 4-5 weeks from now, I will be doing my second review and telling you whether this is working the same wonders to me or no. Charcoal helps you even tone your skin, helps you remove the tan, that lovely tan that you have, especially when you go out in summers. Now that summers are around the corners, we need this very much, and hey, it also gives you that instant glow. You can actually see my face. It feels nice. Well, this was my review on Aranyaa's charcoal face scrub. Will I use it? Yes, I will. So stay tuned, and right after 4 or 5 weeks, I'm gonna come back to you in my Instagram story and tell you whether this is still a yes, yes, yes. Hey guys, here I am with the second product from Aaranyaa, that is the hair pack with argan oil. This product was suggested by Aaranyaa to me, and they told me, Ankita, please go ahead and use this, and we assure you that you won't regret. First thing first, they said it has argan oil. When I read about it, it is known for taming frizzy hair. I don't have frizzy hair though, but yes, I love silkier and shinier hair. So I hope this product, that is the hair pack, stands by what it says. Here I am. Let's review this amazing product with argan oil. I am super excited, and let's get started. I have left my hair so that I can go ahead and apply this amazing hair pack. Let me tell you, the consistency is as good as of a moisturizer. It doesn't have any granules, and it smells really nice. Smells a little fruity, but let's wear it and see. I'm gonna be placing it. I'll take a little in my hand and apply it in my scalps. I'm gonna gently massage it. Take this partition, and here you go. Now that I'm done with my scalp, I'm going to be applying it to the ends of my hair as well. I read a little more about the argan oil. It's known for being the perfect conditioner and also one of the best oils to actually avoid your split ends, which we generally complain about. Yes, I do get split ends, so I hope this works as wonders for me. And all you have to do is just go on applying it. I'll just take a little more product and apply it to the ends of my hair. I have finally applied the product onto my scalp and to the end of my hair. I'm gonna keep this mask for another 10 to 15 minutes and come back and show you how my hair is. I'll allow it to dry a bit and then let's see how the hair looks like in the very first use of this amazing hair pack. Hey guys, I'm back. I've washed my hair now and I have got the product out of my hair. Well, I would like to say this, while washing my hair there was a little lather that I saw, like a soapy lather. Well, I don't think so it's the soap in it, rather I feel it's the shikakai, because if you try washing shikakai it will lather a bit, you know, even if you use the original shikakai in your hair. But anyway, having said that, this is how my hair looks and it really feels extremely soft and shiny as well. I mean, I don't prefer blow drying my hair. I mean, I never blow dry my hair. I let it dry naturally, but with this product I don't even feel like letting it dry because it feels so soft, so shiny. In fact, I feel if you've got wavy hair, this will enhance it further. So I would want you all to see this. It really feels soft. That was my first impression video on Aaranyaa's charcoal face scrub and Aaranyaa's hair pack with argan oil. And I will update you in weeks to come how these products are performing on my hair and on my skin. And well, as of now I can say that you all can go ahead with these products. These are safe to use, very much available on Nykaa with great deals. You can also visit their Instagram page. I am mentioning their Instagram handle in the description. Well, so hey, all I can say is stay tuned, and if you loved or liked this video, please go ahead, like it, subscribe and share it on your channels too. In case if you want me to come up with new videos, please go ahead, shoot a message in my DM and I will ensure that I create a new video just for you all. Thank you so much. Till then, I am Ankita.